Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is the first day out, well, the first night out in the finished camper. I've had a friend ask me to drop him off in Chester because he needed to get the train there. All the trains are on strike, so I thought what a perfect opportunity. Drop him off in Chester, stay up there for the night, have a look around. Found a nice little car park up there that's actually meant for camper vans to stay the night, nice and cheap. Right on the river, so it looks good. Van's all packed up. That's took a while to get everything ticked off the list and in the right place. Obviously there's going to be a bit of trial and error working out where things are best suited. I've been sat in here now for about 2 minutes and it is boiling hot, so a window might be an option at some point, because yeah, it's pretty warm. It's only about 11-12 degrees outside, so we'll see. So I'm going to go and pick him up, get on the road to Chester, and when I'm there I'll catch up. I've got out of the mad rush of the town now, very wet. Here's Chester Racecourse. Not the best weather for the first night out in the van. Head back now, get dry and warm. Good way to start. Back to the van. I'm absolutely soaked, but if I'd went for a drink, nice little dessert, really nice dessert actually, and a little look around. I'm back in the warm now, going to put some dry clothes on, and by the sounds of it, from what I can hear, listen to the rain all night. I've got a drain right under the van by the sound of it, but yeah, nice and warm, dry off, and cook up my curry. This is what it's come to, drying off the floor with kitchen roll. Tell you what, might be chucking it down outside, but it is lovely and warm in here. The insulation that we put a lot, 3 different types in, it's definitely done the job. So, time to cook some food. Now I'm all warm and dry-ish. Rice, madras, naan breads, and obviously poppadoms. First time cooking in the van with the proper setup. See how it goes. Right now, naan breads, you have to grill or oven them. Obviously they don't have a grill or an oven. I'm thinking balance an naan bread on top of the pan and it might warm through. That's the plan. Right. Let's see if the master plan's going to work. Don't do things by halves. Absolutely smashed the curry down. It's gone down a treat. Hopefully the weather's a bit better tomorrow. Just gone past midnight now. Still fairly warm in here. Quiet as anything though. Really quiet. I've worked out going to the toilet when the bed is extended It's difficult because I've only got that little space. So the rule of thumb now is use the toilet before I pull the bed out. First night, really good, really good. Good night's sleep, nice and quiet. I mean, I got woken up by the rain once, and then it put me back to sleep quite quickly. But yeah, I'm gonna get up, get sorted, get the bed packed away, get all this, yeah, put away, cook a nice breakfast, and have a walk back into the town. Back in the van now. So a really nice walk around the town walls, well, city walls. Looked at a few of the things. There's honestly so much in Chester. I've been up here a few times before, just in the city, shopping, blah blah blah, all that sort of stuff. But I didn't actually realise how much sort of heritage there is. It's such an old city, and there's a lot to see. Been a really successful first night away. Really enjoyed it. And can't wait for the next one. Hopefully it won't be too long. Well, next weekend I'm planning, so. But yeah, I've got a lot coming up. NC 500 in the summer, so north coast of Scotland. I'm gonna do about 2 weeks up there, I think, really make a trip of it. Maybe Ireland in the summer as well. So a lot planned. I've got a couple of little series in my head as well that I want to do. Sort of reasons to go to places. Food is involved, as always, can't go wrong. But one last thing, I have a discount code for Van Life Festival, 2nd to the 4th of June, Shrewsbury Showground. So if that's something that any of you guys would be interested in, I'll leave a link down below so you can go and get your tickets with my discount code. Save yourself a bit of money, come and have a really good weekend. Obviously I'll be there. There's a lot of trade stalls there. A lot of really nice vehicles going, really cool stuff, some old buses, micro campers, stuff like that. So that'll be a good weekend. So like I say, if you want to get on that, there'll be a link to the tickets down below and my discount code will be next to it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my content, and remember to hit the bell as well so you get notified as soon as I upload. Cheers, guys.